Hello. I'm out again because it's sunny. So Laura, she studies and then she doesn't want to go out. And Bossing still in the sofa. Ikapoy siya. Okay. Balik.
Okay.
So this is the yellow farm. Yellow plants. So nice siya. Just like the view. Bahala na di ko pula under eh. See? Sana blue sky palagi, best. Di ko ganahan o cloudy, sorry na lang. Halag mag freezing basta blue sky. There. The sunshine is my favorite. Beautiful. Going home na. Ari ko agi parang makita na kong view balag kalabungan. So, ito siya. Apil pa na sa among village diha. Murag kini man ang pinaka-highest diri nga dapit. So, ang mga houses nasa ubos ra. Hala, habog na kayo ko. Dili ko muna og bes. Parang makakita ko diri. So, gitanom ni siya bes kay para daw protect the soil during winter. Para dili siya mawas out ang iyahang soil. So na, mao na siya gitanom. Pero murag nindot siya kaitanawon. Diyan ako bes, niabot na ako diri ra ko agis dapin. So that's my day now. Time to go back home. See you later till my next kalokohan, iyat dari ginagmay. Siya, ngayon pa lang wala pa buwak. Kana sementeryo na diha. Yan mga balay na. Bye! At least they can persuade them to come. I like it. It's all green here. So yeah, beautiful.
You do like that because it's natural lighting. Go away.
I'm going away. Okay. Oh, the beautiful sunset. That's the colorful yippee. The green grass of home. It's beautiful flowers. The dog is police. Such a monkey daw. That's the nut tree. Kana walnut tree na siya. But wala pa siya bunga sa ubos, wala na hagbong. Na-open na siya. So I'll get you na. Oop. Opa Gangnam style. Don't slide. I like my what walnut. Walnut mo diha, tag piso ang kilo. It's muddy. So that you can eat. There's a lot of trees.
Yeah.
I don't like na. I prefer the walnuts. Huh. Uy, lami. Pait nga murag I don't know.
You can put them on the stove. You put them on the stove in the wind.
Ah! I'm at home. Finished picking the walnuts and the cheese nut. So tomorrow, maybe I will pick free, free bananas, no free potatoes. So I'm hot. My blood is hot now. I came from a long walk